This goose pays better than my boss ever did. And it's how I made $200 a day or more for the past 4 years working for myself. It's very straightforward and takes less than 60 seconds to explain. Why do we use Amazon? Because it's easy, straightforward, and trustworthy. Customers online expect nothing less. And to deliver that experience, businesses use CRMs or customer relationship management software to handle things like appointment reminders, order updates, and review requests. But not all CRMs are the same. This is an average CRM with average features and average corporate salespeople. This is HighLevel with golden features, golden reviews, and a golden opportunity because they don't hire in-house salespeople. They grow with partners like me, you, or anyone else to resell or refer their platform. That means instead of working for the software company, you become the software company.
That is HighLevel.
That's right! HighLevel lets you sell unlimited accounts, each one a golden egg, packed with tools that other businesses don't just want, but actually need. Oh, for one flat monthly fee, not per contact, or account, or user, or feature. One flat monthly fee. But wait, there's more! And trust me, in this digital Wild West, you're gonna need every single one of these amazing features. Unlimited automations, two-way texting, websites, online courses, review management, appointment scheduling, pipeline, even a mobile app. Yes, it's that simple, and yes, you can brand the HighLevel CRM as your own. In fact, that's the whole point. You see, people wanted software they could put their name on without having to write a single line of code. Or, in Jimmy's case, without having to spell the word code.
I'm illiterate.
They wanted a CRM they could brand as their own, deliver to their clients, and be truly proud of.
So HighLevel came in like a fairy godmother, breaking the costly chains of traditional CRMs that nickel and dime you for every additional account.
Exactly. Like how Rajwant put it, the HighLevel feature that changed my life the most is the empowerment of being big while staying small. Still not convinced?
No, I'm convinced.
Well, here are some reviews anyways. They love it. Except this guy.
There's too many features.
Sorry, not sorry, Jonathan.
But how do I know this goose is the one, and not some golden goose duck catfish?
It's okay. You're safe now. With premium level support. Plus, the real magic comes from how you make this golden goose your own. With HighLevel, you're not just selling a product, you're building your brand. You can change the logo, the colors, and even the name to match your business. It's like taking the golden egg and giving it your own unique shine, your own golden brand, if you will. Every time you sell one of these, it's not just revenue, it's brand power, customized to fit the businesses that you're uniquely suited to work with.
With average CRMs, they're all about making a quick buck.
But with HighLevel, every golden egg you deliver provides you revenue and growth for any industry. Real estate, roofing, electricians, dentists, influencers, chiropractors, even worm harvesting farms.
I love worm harvesting farms.
Any industry you want to serve. And because you are the business owner, HighLevel is there to support you. It's real people who hate bureaucracy and love getting things done because crushing it together is kind of our thing. So folks, to recap, HighLevel lets you build your own business without paying for third-party apps. Everything you need in one system. Then you can white label your sub-accounts, making the system your own.
More like golden label, am I right?
HighLevel high five. These sub-accounts become the infrastructure for other businesses that want to increase their revenue. You simply provide features to those companies, being their cost-effective solution. One subscription, unlimited sub-accounts, unlimited golden eggs. So if you're alive, use the internet, and aren't allergic to golden geese,
No allergy here.
start your free trial today. Why settle for less? Let HighLevel be your golden goose. Communities, conversational AI, voice AI, Facebook messaging, Instagram messaging, A/B testing. Start your free trial today and start earning with HighLevel. Analytics, lead scoring, conversion tracking, invoices, contracts. There's nothing unnatural about the love a man feels for his goose. Social posting, forums, surveys, one-click upsells. Some folks pan for gold. We just feed the goose. Did I mention they're unlimited?